Here I have Suzuki Vitara, and let me show you how to set up the silence mode. Let me show you how to change the silence mode settings on the following car. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen of the Suzuki infotainment system. Let's select here the Apple CarPlay. From Apple CarPlay, all you need to do is find here and select the settings. So here we've got the settings icon. Here you can also find the settings icon in all app list. Choose here settings, and from list of settings, this is like the standard list of settings, all you need to do is find here the silent mode. So you can mirror iPhone silent mode. So if you have the silent mode set it up on your iPhone, it will also be turned on the Apple CarPlay. You can turn on silent mode only on the Apple CarPlay or turn off silent mode only on the Apple CarPlay. So you've got three modes, three options that you can use. In my case, I prefer to use the silent mode mirrored from my iPhone, so let me use the first option and let me leave it like that. Alright, so that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave thumbs up.